Hello everyone. Myself Kamlesh Rajendra Dursender, and today's date is 29th of April 2024. And my today's video topic is a non-technical video topic, and the name of the topic is e-commerce. So, as you know, electronic commerce is also known as e-commerce, which means buying and selling of products or goods or services over the internet. So e-commerce is also known as electronic commerce, or we can say it as a internet commerce. So these services provided online over the internet through network. So the transaction of money, fund and data are also considered as e-commerce. So this business transaction can be done in four ways. First is B2B, second is B2C, third is C2C, and fourth is C2B. So the standard definition of e-commerce is commercial transaction which is happen over the internet. As you all know, the online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, OLX are the example of e-commerce website. So now in detail, let me tell you the ways of four ways of e-commerce. So e-commerce is a popular term for electronic commerce or even internet commerce. So the name self is self-explanatory. It is the meeting of buyer and seller on the internet. So this involves the transaction of product and services, and the transfer of fund and the exchange of data. So as example, as you know, whenever we are logging into the Amazon website or Amazon app, and we are purchasing, for example, a book. So this is a classic example of e-commerce transaction. So here we can interact with the seller and exchange the data in the form of picture or text or address for delivery, and then we make the payment. So the types of e-commerce models. So e-commerce can be classified into four main categories, and the basics for this simple classification is the parties that are involved in the transaction. So the four basic electronic commerce models are first is B2B. B2B means business to business. So this is the business to business transaction. So in this, the companies are doing business with each other, and the final consumer is not involved. So the online transaction only involve the manufacturer, wholesaler and retailer. Then the second model is business to customer, that is B2B. Business to customer, so in this, the company will sell their product and services directly to the customer, and the customer can browse their website and look that product, look the picture and read the reviews, and then they can place their order, and the company ship the product directly to the customer. For example, the popular examples are Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Then the third model is consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer means where the consumers are in direct contact with each other. There is no company is involved in it. So it help people to sell their personal product and assets directly to the interested person. Usually the product traded are like a car, bike, then electronics. For example, OLX. OLX are following this model. And the fourth model is customer to business, that is consumer to business. So this is the reverse of business to customer. It is a customer to business. So the customer provides a product or some service to the company, and say for example an IT freelancer who demo and sell his software to a company. This is the customer to business transaction. So these all are the business models regarding e-commerce that follows. So that's all about our today's video, that is e-commerce. So thank you so much for watching the video.